617. Welcome back to the channel. So today's topic, what we're going to talk about is my exhaust again. If you've been following the build, you know that I've been through a whole build with this exhaust. Like, I've done so many things, ins and outs to this exhaust. If you haven't checked those out yet, check those out. It's a whole build on this exhaust specifically. Anyways, so I purchased the DNA catback exhaust after I purchased the test pipes. All right, everything was good, but it ended up being too low. Like I said, if you haven't seen the videos, check those out. All right, so we took the big resonators out and made it into a straight pipe up until the mufflers, which have resonators as well. But I've always had the issue where there's a rattle, and this issue has not gone away. So I took it to the shop and they did a full review. They checked the whole exhaust out, took it apart, and come to find out, the issue is the mufflers, or one of the mufflers. So I got in contact with DNA. They responded right away. I told them the situation. I told them that, one of the mufflers are, one or two of the mufflers are no good. I wanted to get the warranty replaced or the whole exhaust replaced, whatever they could do for me. At that point, they completely stopped answering. I've sent multiple emails to them, nothing. I've called their offices. You can't get in contact with corporate through the phone. They have a number, you just can't reach it. And I hit them up through email. That's when they first respond, and after that, nothing. So where I'm at now is pretty much I'm stuck with it, and I just gotta get a different exhaust. So this is a warning. I'm not saying that all their exhausts are like this. I'm just giving you my personal experience with the DNA motoring exhaust, catback exhaust. I'm not satisfied with it. It is affordable, so I can see why people would want it. It's nice. It's a really nice setup. They use good materials from on the outside. I don't know about the inside. Now, one thing I could tell you, when I was tuning it, Admin Tuning himself told me that the insides of the DNA motoring exhausts are not that great. They're not premium materials. That's what he told me. And I can see why. I can see what's going on with that now. I'm going to try to see if the camera can pick up the sound that I'm talking about. It's a rattle at about 3,000 RPMs or so. So I'm going to put it out the window to see if we could get that sound. All right, guys, so that was a complete fail. So the wind completely engulfed the microphone, so that's not gonna be. I'm gonna try to do it from the inside to see if you guys can catch that rattle noise that I'm talking about. Hold on. With that said, let's enjoy some flames inside the tunnel. Why not? Sounds great, honestly. I like the way it sounds. It's very loud, which that's what I want. I want that wow factor. But between, I want to say 3,500 and 4,500, between that, you get that rattling noise. I wish I didn't have that noise, to be honest. So, this season's almost done. We're about to hit winter soon. So most likely for next season, I'll be putting a new exhaust in. That's to come, guys. And And even that new exhaust, I would probably, if it comes with resonators, I would probably cut the resonators off because I really like the loudness of this thing right now. I honestly cannot stand when people drive like this. Like they're both going the same speed, so you can't pass them. Alright guys, so I'm prepped and ready to get my daily fix. Come with me. Oh, there she is. There she is. There she is. Daily fix. Here we come. It's a very good day, guys. Got my caramel macchiato from Starbucks. Got my Nismo chilling. Woo. Anyways, guys, so all in all, if you want to take the risk, like I said, the exhaust is affordable. So if you want to take the risk, go for it, right? Go for it because it's affordable, whatever. But if you don't want to, if the possibility, it can happen to anyone. So you can buy the exhaust and it comes out crappy, just like mine. And then you're stuck, just like me. It's up to you guys. What do you want to do? Do you want to... I would say spend a little bit more money and get a quality exhaust. Because that's what I'm going to do anyway. So I already spent the money on this. And I got to do that anyway. So with that said, Booba 617.
You know you're looking good when it's just